Welcome everyone. Today we're building an app using Generative Pages in PowerApps. Generative Pages is a new AI-powered feature that lets you create apps using natural language prompt. Instead of manually building screens, forms, and dashboard, you describe what you want and AI generates the app structure for you. Under the hood, the Generative Pages are built using React components, leverage the PowerApps Component Framework (PCF), which allows this component to react seamlessly with Dataverse table and data sources. You can view, edit the generated React code to customize your app further using AI-driven solution to enhance functionality. For this demo, we'll use Generative Pages to build help desk ticketing app, a simple app where user can submit support tickets, track their status, and view dashboard summarizing ticket. Before we begin, ensure your environment meets the prerequisites. Your Power Platform environment must be in US region. Enable the AI-powered Copilot feature for App Maker setting. This feature is gradually rolling out, so it might not be available in all regions. First, we'll create a solution to keep all the components organized. Click Solution and then New Solution. I am going to click display name as Help Desk Solution and I'm going to use my name as a prefix. Next, we'll create a model-driven app and name it Help Desk App. Inside the solution, now we will create tables for. Now that our table is created, we will go to save and exit from here. The AI will create the table with these columns automatically. Now the table that we just created is being added to our model-driven app. Now that our table is created and there are some dummy records as well. Next, we'll use Generative Pages to create the help desk interface. So for that, I would go to add a page, click here, select describe a page. This section, I would put this prompt, and then I would also associate a table which is tickets and click on generate. Agent is understanding the requirement, making some assumption, and you can see what it's thinking from the details that we can see from here. It is thinking step by step on how to approach this prompt and how to solve this issue, and it'll also give you a summary of the app that is being created. Here you can see the code that is being generated to create this app. Once the app is created, you can come back to this code, make your account edits as well, and make the changes. Now that this app is created, let's test out this app. We will create a ticket issue with an iPad, technician, Jane Doe, description. Let's say I am not able to open it, and then I can set priorities and submit. Now once it's submitted, I can see my issue being listed here. The dashboard are also updated. Now if I want any changes in this application, I can either do by changing the code or come to this section where I can describe my issue. For example, I want some changes. I want the ticket list to be grouped by priorities. Submit. Now when you submit it, it will again do its thinking and make the changes in the code, and then it will create an app with the changes that you have provided. Now you might face an issue doing some changes, like in this case I got this issue. So what I usually do is I copy this and then I go to the prompt, and in the prompt I mention that I got following issue, and then it will start to fix the issue all by itself. So you can see that it's making the changes of grouping by priority, but it's also fixing the issue that I got. So let's wait for a while, and now you can see the ticket list is grouped by the priorities. Now I'm going to show you another example where I am creating an app for a travel request table. So I have this travel request table, and what I want is I have a image which look like this. So I have this UI which I want the Generative Pages to generate. So I am putting this screenshot and then let the Generative Pages create this particular UI using the travel request table. And again, it's doing the work. The agent is thinking step by step, defining the requirement, identifying the data, and generating code. Here you go. You have the app generated from the screenshot or the image of the UI. It won't be an exact copy, but the layout and most of the key elements have been recreated. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more PowerApps tips and tutorials.